Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Paul here with your favorite teachers. Can you believe it? It's Earth Day month. And to help celebrate, we're out here in the beautiful Gateway Park with the ocean to ocean bridge and the Colorado River because we're about to take you on a virtual field trip.
On this trip, be prepared to see plants, trees, insects, animals, and the river.
And just remember, if you are gonna go on adventure, be prepared with water and comfortable clothes and shoes.
Whenever we are out in nature, we can all do our part and help keep our earth beautiful by making sure we clean up after ourselves and others. As Indigenous people, we know we are one with earth, so let's lead by example and help restore our earth.
Take a look around, boys and girls, and see what other plants and animals and insects and trees that you can find on this adventure. And don't forget, you can check them off as you find them in your Survey of the Land nature booklet. Have fun.
Look at that arrowweed. Arrowweed is a really important plant for the Kokopah. It can be used to clean your home, build a home, and it provides a really nice place for birds to live.
The dandelion flower is a really cool plant. Lots of people call them weeds, but they're not weeds at all, guys. In fact, they can be cooked into a tea that can help us with our health. My favorite thing about a dandelion is that when the flower turns into seeds, we can pick them up, make a wish, and blow the seeds into the wind. And it helps spread more dandelions.
Look at that wormwood. Wormwood is a relative of sage. It can be used for medicine that'll help you with colds, headaches, even when you have an upset tummy.
Oh kids, you see the little fuzz balls here on this plant here? These are creosote, also known as greasewood. This plant is very important to our people because we use it for medicine, mainly for sore throats. The small fluffy ball is a seed, and when it drops, it can produce other creosote plants.
The mesquite tree is a very helpful tree. You can see mesquite all around the city. Do you know the flowers, the bean pods, the leaves, and the roots can all be used for food and medicine?
Look at this big, beautiful cottonwood tree. Wood tree loves to grow near the water. If you look into the river, you can see their roots stick out of the riverbank. The cottonwood tree gets their names from their seeds. When the tree produces seeds, they look like big pieces of cotton. Take a look at the leaves. What type of shape does it look like to you?
Wow, take a look at the bark on this tree, boys and girls. What color is it? That's right, it's green. And that green bark is why we call this tree the Palo Verde. Palo Verde is a Spanish word which means green stick or green tree. Something really cool about this tree is that the seeds can be roasted or even mashed up into flour. You can even use it in salads. These trees' seeds are 41% protein, which means they're good for building strong bodies. You'll probably see them around your neighborhood. Just look for the beautiful yellow flowers. The flowers feed the bees and the birds. Sweet, sweet nectar. It's pretty neat how many benefits can be found in one tree.
Ladybugs are part of the beetle family. They eat the little bugs that eat plants. All beetles can fly. Some ladybugs have spots, but some have stripes or no spots at all. Let me show you the life cycle of the ladybug. First, they are eggs that are stuck to the leaves or the bark of the tree. Then, the egg hatches and out comes a larva. Be careful, the larva bites. Then the larva stick itself to a leaf and make a pupa. Inside the pupa becomes a ladybug and then the ladybug climbs out. One ladybug can eat 5,000 insects in a lifetime. So, ladybugs are really good for your garden.
Kids, check out these ants. In Kokopah traditional stories, ants built the world, and you can see right now, they're busy building the world still. Can you guys draw an ant?
Can you guys draw a lizard? Did you see that big lizard? Did you know lizards are part of the reptile family? Reptiles' skin is made up of scales. They regularly shed the outer layer of their skin as they grow, and without any fur, they can't stay warm on a cold day. So where we live is a perfect environment for them. Lizards are similar to snakes, and they both smell with their tongues. You can find lizards in your backyard or anywhere sunny.
Look over there, it's a roadrunner. These birds are super impressive. They can run up to 15 miles per hour. They are so fast, they can even hunt snakes.
That's it?
Gotta get some sunlight, a little bit of water. Yep. How do you know when they're ready though, right? Alright boys and girls, well we've come to the end of our virtual field trip for today, but that doesn't mean our adventures need to end here.
Get outdoors, explore nature, and make your own adventures.
Remember, stay hydrated and drink plenty of water.
And thank you for coming with us today and give us a like on Class Dojo.
And remember to lead by example and
Restore our Earth!